Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So I'm right here on Molynes Road. Just did some business at this small plaza right here. And I'm saying, hey, I haven't done a driving video for the longest while. So, you guessed it, this is a driving video. So we're here on Molynes Road, heading towards Halfway Tree. So definitely stay tuned, guys. This is a driving video. You can call it a community drive as well, because we'll be going into the Sundown community, or Sundown Avenue, which is a part of Molynes Gardens. So stay tuned for that. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. So Molynes Road, a very long road. On the main is mainly commercial properties on the main, and once you branch off, then you have residential areas. So Sundown Crescent it is, right beside this bar. Alright, so this is where we're driving today. This brings us into, communities off Molynes. There's a lot of branching roads as well to the right. I've never recorded this road before, so this is where we're at today. To the right is Lonsdale Avenue. Most of Molynes is very residential. Not the richest neighborhood with a lot of mansions, but very nice residential community. Single family lots, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, a lot of older type homes as well. To the right was Newberry Avenue. Let me slant the camera a little bit to the right, so you guys can see the homes a little better. Alright, so just bringing you guys along on another community drive. We know this is a very versatile channel. So to the right is Aintree Avenue. Alright, so this section of the road gets a bit bad. And I notice what a lot of the older homes do. They redo their perimeter fencing, put up some nice fence, and then when you look over the yard, sometimes the property still need a lot of renovation and improvement. These properties are still a bit costly though. Prices start anywhere between, starting at 22 mil going up for the most part. Kingston Avenue on the right, and you have a few apartment complex here and there, small apartment complex, probably about 15 tenants most. And then coming up on the right is Ascot Avenue. As usual, guys, if you have ever resided in any of these community, on any of these road, let me know. Probably you're still living, probably you grew up, probably you know someone that lives in this area. Let me know in the comment section, so we can give you a shout out, a big up, a highlight. Alright, and then Sundown Crescent will make a forced right. So a big right turn here. Again, very decent residential community. and a lot of persons have done improvement to their properties as well. Alright, and Sundown connects back to Molynes, Bedford, so it kind of curves around and go back onto those roads that can lead back out onto Molynes Road. And the lot size in this part of Molynes is not bad, very decent lot size. So we're gonna head back out to Molynes Road side. And I know we cannot, well, I won't say I can't, but it would take a long while, you know, for me to cover every community in Jamaica. I would have to be doing one video per day. But you know, a lot of times I do a community drive, person are saying, do my community next, do my, you know, where I come from next, do here next, do here next, but can't go everywhere at once. But at least we can do one community at a time. You know, one day I'll reach your community for sure. You know, probably if you reside abroad, you know, then probably a pass where you grew up, where you used to live, where you still have family. Who knows? So this road would have been, you know, adjacent to Sundown. So all the right turns that we pass are right turns to go back onto Sundown now. So not a very long video, guys, just a very quick video. You know, just highlighting this section of Molynes. Molynes is a very big community altogether. It's a very long road, so you have a lot of communities branching off, and I've touched on a few before. So this is Newberry again, and then we'll end the video on Molynes Road, or when we reach Molynes Road. So thanks for watching as usual, guys. I have to keep the videos going. I know some persons, you know, they have stated in the comments that every day they look out for a video, you know, just to be able to see what's happening in Jamaica and just to, you know, stay entertained, have something to watch on a daily basis. So I try my best to put up a video as often as I can. Most times I do one per day. If not, I still do them very regular for you guys. So really appreciate the support, and thanks for all the likes. Remember to comment, and if you've watched a few videos and haven't subscribed yet, just click that subscribe button. This is also Sundown Crescent, so you have two entrances to Sundown Crescent, and they connect in a, you would say that probably a U. They connect like a U, so it's shaped like a U. So you have two entrances, which will be two exits just the same. So one where we just come out and one right here, and it's just below the Big Birds Auto. It's below Fossridge, so that should give you an idea of where we are. So this is Fossridge Electrical, and then over on the left we have the Birds Auto. Alright guys, see you on another video.